Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call all my subscribers, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have another mail call, and this one is from the US Mint. And I am also behind on these videos. So I am going to be unboxing not one, but 3 boxes today. And so to keep this video short, we'll get right to it. Welcome back. So we'll start off with this big one here on top, and I'll just move these other ones out of the way for now and try not to knock over my glass of water. And so the Mint spares no funds on packaging. I can assure you of that, because this is just a plain old box. It's a good thing it comes by UPS to Canada, because otherwise, if it came by regular post, the postal fees would be into it. So here we go. And Mint uses brown paper and US Mint uses white paper. So here we go. And here we go. And of course, it looks like my obligatory paperwork is face up at the bottom. And so I'll take this out. And we have an empty box. We'll set that aside. And we have a little box here. And let's turn it over. This is the 2021 United States Uncirculated coin set. How cool is that? I have to break the seal to get into it. And here we go. And here we have the Denver Mint. And I love the look of uncirculated coins. There's the Kennedy half dollar, the Sacagawea First Nations dollar, the Lincoln penny, the Washington crossing the Delaware, the Tuskegee Airmen, and the nickel. How cool is that? And there's the other side. I love the coin for the Sacagawea dollar with the feathers and the stars. And of course, I'm showing it upside down. Silly me. So that is Denver, and here's Philadelphia. And I'm happy with these. They turned out pretty good. I'll be looking at these closer for any possible errors or anything like that. Not likely, because I think that the Mint really picked up its shoes this year. And we'll set that aside. And we're already into the next box. And so these ones are just pull tabs. Oh, I'm gonna cut it. I don't care. There we go. Okay. Remove the obligatory paperwork. Take out the paper, and we have a Morgan dollar, a Philadelphia Morgan dollar. This was one of the only Morgan dollars I was able to get because the Mint was just so difficult to work with. certificate of authenticity, 999 silver. And here we go. I hope that's on the capsule. Yes, it is. Okay. And rather weak. The feathers are there, but they're rather weak. And I'll do close-up pictures of these coins. And I guess you can stand it in the package. It's a hideous package, though. Far less attractive than the Canadian packages. That goes that way and into there. So there's that one, and this last one. And this one sounds loose. I'm gonna just cut here. Package is exactly the same way the other one was, but this one was rattling around. And take the paper. Yeah, the box got some mark on it. And this is the 2021 Peace Dollar, Philadelphia Peace Dollar. I was able to secure this one. Wow, whoever put this together didn't do a very good job of making sure everything was the same direction. Okay, and in God we trust. And how lovely is that? I'm just so glad I was able to get this. Feathers are fine on this one. That goes that way. And so that's my US mail call. And we have the 2021 Peace Dollar. We have the 2021 Morgan and the 2021 P&D bid sets. So that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.